Now, when you start using Salestools, you want to install your Mailbox. Installing Mailbox is very simple. Now, if you don't have the credential up to date, you'll see you will have some errors. So you always got to make sure that they're up to date. So we want click installation with Gmail Office 365, which you see right here, will pop up asking for my credentials. And then you can use your custom IMAP and SMTP protocol. This is important because otherwise we're not able to integrate with your system. If you run a custom IMAP SMTP, and this you can even do with Gmail, and I can explain you why. If you want to send more emails, some customers, they'll put in the email address, so let's say info@salestools. Let's say that was my email address, and you can choose your sender name, so you can say John from Salestools, for example. Now the IMAP, I will set up let's say it was John. Let's say John existed. And I put in my password, imap.google.com. Let's say I then had a SendGrid account. Then I could set up my SendGrid credentials here. Or if you use Gmail as well, I can do that. Typically port 465, enable TSL, connect inbox. Now, when you fill out all of this information, you actually set up your mailbox. You can set up the signature within the mailbox. And let me just show you how to do that. So if I go in here and I go in and say edit signature and copy paste my signature right here, save it. And that's how you install your Mailbox. And it supports rich text, so you can copy in pictures and everything in the signature.